Hello friends. So in the previous videos, we have seen the definition of series circuits, parallel circuits, and also we have done some numericals on series and parallel circuits. So today I just wanted to show you what you have learned in the previous videos through a software. So this software I have already told you in the beginning of the course is called SQL GUI. It's a free software developed by IIT Bombay. It's a really good software to do circuit simulation. So we will see the concept of series and parallel through a circuit simulation. So first I need resistors, right? So I will just select a resistor here. So this is my resistor number 1 and I will take another resistor here. So this is resistance number 2. So let me give some properties. So I will call this resistor as R1 and the second resistor I will call it as R2. Now the resistance values I am keeping it as 1 ohms and here also I am keeping it as 1 ohms. Okay, so it doesn't matter, the value doesn't matter now because we are only seeing the concept. Then I need a voltage source. So let me take a voltage source here. So this is a voltage source I am keeping. Now I want to connect them as series, right? So I told you in the series, two series elements are in series when they exclusively share a node. Okay, so for that you have to give you a back-to-back connection. So let me give you a back-to-back connection here. So like this. So now these two elements are in series. Now I want it to connect to this voltage source also. So I will connect it with this voltage source. Okay. And finish the circuit like this. So it's a simple series circuit. Now I just need to show the captions here. So this is R1 and this is R2. And I have to provide a ground also. So let me provide a ground for the simulation to work. Yes. So what is the aim of doing all these things? Now you know that in the series circuit, the current will be exactly the same. So we will see in the simulation what is the current value through R1 and what is the current value through R2. So you know that it is going to be same, right? But we'll see it through the simulation. So to find that I will need some output variables. So I will select a variable here. So this is, I want the current, right? So I will take current and this is, I will call it as current through R1. So this is current through R1. Then I have to select a second variable. I want to select current through R2 also. So I will write like this, current through R2. Okay. Now we will go to do the simulation actually. So I have already kept the blocks ready and I have to just select the output variables. What all output variables I want to see? So I want to see IR1 and I want to see IR2. Okay. So before that, let me see what is the voltage source value I have given. So I have not given any value. So I'll just keep it as 10 volts. So voltage source value is 10 volts. Now you see here, this node you see, it is let me see, show this node. Okay. So this node you can see here because it's a node connecting between two elements are connected, right? So this is a node here. So that is called E29. Okay. And this node here, it is called E26. But if I click here, you see it is only a one name is coming, E24, because that is common between these two elements. Okay, so in series elements they have an exclusively common node. Okay, so that's done here. I think we are ready to run the simulation. So let's run the solver block. Okay, so let me see. I will see press here to see the values. So you can see that the current through R1 is 5 and the current through R2 is also 5. That means they are having the same current. Okay, so that shows that these two elements are in series circuit. So I just wanted to give you a practical concept of series circuit. Now we will change this into a parallel circuit. Okay, so for that let me just delete these elements. Now in parallel circuits I told you they share both the nodes, right? They have both the nodes as common. So let me just keep it like this only for aesthetics. I'm keeping it like this only for aesthetics so that it's easier for me to draw. So for parallel circuit I have to connect these two together so that they both have the same nodes here. Okay. So you can see that for foresee that for this side, if I click this, you can see that that node name is E32 and this node name is E33. Okay, and again I will connect the voltage source also here. I'll connect the voltage source across these two elements. So let me connect it like this. Here one connection and here the other connection. Okay, so again if I see the nodes, you can see that this is one node that is called E33. This is one part and this is the second part. Okay, so it is E30. So these three elements are in parallel with each other. Okay, and I'll connect the ground. So in this, if I solve for this particular circuit, what will I get? I know that the voltages will be the same, right? For parallel circuit, the voltages will be the same. So I will again take output variables. I will delete these two, and I will find the voltage across R1 and the voltage across R2. Okay, so I have to add a variable, select this, I will select the voltage. So I will just rename this. So voltage across R1, and this will be another variable I have to select. So this will be voltage across R2, voltage across R2. Okay, and this, I think it is 10 volts. Yeah, this is 10 volts. Okay, so we will again go to the solve blocks, and we have to just change the variables here. So V1 and R1. Okay, V1 across R1, voltage across R1 and voltage across R2. So if you go to the circuit editor, again I will run the simulation. Okay, I have got the values, and you can see if I press this show table, I will get the values. So you can see that it is 1 into 10 power 1. This means it is 10 power 1. So it is 10 volts. The voltage across R1 is 10 volts. Voltage across R2 is also 10 volts. Okay, so it's the same voltage. So they are parallel, same voltage, so parallel circuits, and they are sharing the nodes also. The voltage value I am changing to 100. Again I will run the solve block, and you can see that the value will be changed. So it's 1 into 10 power 2. So that is 100, and this is also voltage across R1 and voltage across R2 is exactly the same. Concept of series and parallel. Series means it has the same current, and parallel means they have the same voltage. Series means they share a node exclusively, and in parallel, when elements are in parallel, they have the common nodes. Okay, so I hope you like this video. So till I see you in the next video, it's me signing off. Thank you.